Hey guys, so in this quick video, I'm going to actually compare the Pro version and the Max version for Claude and what you can actually expect out of both and if it's actually like worth upgrading. So the Pro, the hitting the 5-hour message limit within like 20-60 minutes of intense work. So for standard chat, or you want to, let's say, make scripts, for me is that I'm right now on a Pro version and I'm hitting when I want to like make scripts for like certain things, or like I'm working, then I can get out of like intense work in 1 hour. I need to wait. With the Claude Max, what is like really insane, so you're gonna have like 5x to 20x more capacity. And so when I was like on $100, I rarely hit the limits during the full workday. And you're gonna have like a lot of more frequent use of Cloud Opus. So primarily, like if you want to use it for like programming, it's insane. Or like a lot of, like, imagine you're gonna have like more tabs open for Opus, like 4, and for all 4 you're gonna have like tasks, let's say scripting, or when I was like making transcription of certain things and I was building stuff. For me, the max was insane. It was very much worth it. Now I don't need it that much, so I'm on a Pro version. So also you can have like running multiple code terminals simultaneously. So that's important. Now what would be also great if there would be like a third plan between the Pro and Max, like I don't know, Pro Plus, for like $49, where you would have like 4x. That would be like a great middle way. So what you can do also, this is going to be a hack. You can get 2 Pro accounts. That is going to be like $34, or I don't know, like $40 a month. And you're going to get like 2x limits. And this is something that you can also do, but you're going to have like headache of like switching accounts. So, and if you don't want to have like, for example, you don't want to pay for the Max version, you can go also API. So you can get pay as you go usage, and this is something that you can also do. And yeah. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope this video provided a little bit of value, the difference there, and have a great day and good